use the drones in an integrated solution with the ground teams, but basically the drone is just the eye in the sky where we can spot suspects in areas where you wouldn't necessarily be able to spot them with ground teams.
Deployed at many different sites like railways, coal mines, gold mines, platinum mines, fabrication plants, fuel pipelines, even estates, and at all of those sites we've seen massive decline in the crime rate in that area, simply because of the jobs we're doing, simply because of arresting the suspects in those areas and assisting security in finding those suspects.
Our applications basically security. 90% of the craft that we use are multi-rotors. We have one of the longer lasting multi-rotors out there on the commercial market. It flies for about an hour, and then we're moving into the VTOL market where we're flying for about 2.5 hours depending on the payload. The big advantage with the VTOL is it can basically take off and land anywhere, and then it transitions into fixed wing, which is super efficient. So you have the advantage of taking off in a small area as well as flying for a longer time. And also while flying in fixed wing, it's a lot quieter. So it's the best of both worlds.
This is Arcma's drone, Zulu Tango, X-ray Micro Foxtrot, currently operating approximately 5 miles.
UDS has some of the most experienced pilots in the market, just based on the amount of time that they've been operating.
We've just been notified that the suspect's on the line, so we're rushing now to get closer to the area where the suspect's. Okay, so we found the suspects. The suspects are currently in a trench next to the railway. Security is moving in. Our ground teams are currently on their way to the suspects. As you guys are close to the suspects now, so everyone must just keep quiet. Don't talk over the radio, just listen to my instructions. Team Alpha, you are in position. The suspects are approximately 100 meters in front of you now. Team Bravo, you need to go to the left, one mast pole to the left, and you'll be in line with the suspects. Okay guys, you're getting very close to them now. Okay, they're running. One suspect. The other suspect is currently underneath the drone and security is heading towards him now. Okay guys, you're heading straight for the suspect now. I can see you. You just need to keep going straight, follow the lights of the drone and you'll get straight to him. Well done guys, the second suspect is arrested. Very well done.